So here we go. About a year ago, I went to Walmart, did some real research on vacuums, and after lots of contemplation, I ended up going with the Shark. It's supposed to be one of the better vacuums they had there. I got it back to the office, and it was having a hard time sucking up a candy wrapper. You know, it just wasn't good from the get-go, and it's only gotten weaker with time, and it's got to the point that it's really frustrating me. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a new home. The dumpster over there, but I don't think I'm gonna give it a new home all as one piece. I gotta chop it up, and so it has lots of friends to go home with. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of it. What we want to do is get it warmed up a little bit. This tool has always been tried and true, and we're gonna go ahead and make some little buddies out of this Shark vacuum. Now I have the guys do the cleanup.